Thanks very much for clicking on my video. I'm in the middle of Marine Lake and it got me thinking, if I had a set of keys and they fell in the water, they would just sink, wouldn't they? So how can I stop my keys from falling out of my pocket, going in the water? Is there some kind of floating keyring device thing? Yes, there is, and I'm going to show you it. So keep watching. If you haven't, press that subscribe button. Fantastic day for it. Here we go. Here's my set of keys I'm going to use. So I've got like 2 of those and a car key. I've got this plastic, a minion, doesn't it? It's hard to get into. Yeah, so I've got that. Classic foam one. This, I've seen plenty of these around. They're made of cork, so it's a cork ball one. Key boy. So this apparently, well, once it gets wet, something inflates in it and it'll pop up to the surface. So what I'm doing is attaching some fishing line onto the keys, so then if they don't work, then I can pull my keys back up, because I don't want to lose my keys, because you know I need them. We're going to try first this one. Here we go then, let's test it out. Is this little plastic minion what's it thing gonna work? Let's throw it in the water. I'm not going to throw it out too far because I've got to try and get it back. Let's see if it works, yeah? 3, 2, 1. I'll give it a minute just to see if it pops up. Yeah, nothing's happening here. Didn't work. Well, try with just one. If we just had one car key on it. Right, let's try again with just one car key on it. Ah, yes, yeah, look. So with one key, we're good. Next test. So the next one we're going to try out the Will It Float bag is the foam floaty. These are supposed to be quite good. It's very, very light. So now I'll put all 3 keys back on just to give it a try. Let's see if it works. 1, 2, 3. That floats really well, does what it's supposed to do. Awesome. Not an issue. This one was really good. Oh. So the next one we're going to try is Old Faithful cork one, the old cork ball. Let's get this on the keys and see if it works. I've got good hopes for this one. Just press record on that. Right, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's definitely floating. It's not as visible. Obviously in this water it's a bit murky. Visible as this one. This was really visible because of the colour. If you could paint it a high vis colour, but it's definitely working. It's definitely doing what it should do. So let's see what's next. So now it's time to try the Key Boy. I've not looked at any reviews or anything. I just seen it and it sounded interesting, like auto inflates in the water. So I'm like, I've got to get one of these. I think they're just a one use only, so I think it was about £8, something like that. So it is expensive for a one use thing, but I mean, if it works, then it's definitely worth it, because obviously replacing the set of keys you've lost is quite expensive. Right, let's get it open. Here it is. It's very lightweight, see-through. You can see the stuff what's inside it. You can see like the fluorescent tube thing what's supposed to pop out. Excited for this one. So I've got it all lined up, all ready to go. Looking forward to this one. So let's get the camera rolling, get it in a good spot, and 3, 2, 1. So apparently it can take a couple of seconds to inflate. There's some bubbles going on, which I've not had before. Hopefully that's a good sign. Is bubbles a good sign? Oh, I've not got my watch on. I can see it. Can you see that? Let's try and zoom in a bit. Yeah, there. Yeah! It's there. It did work. That's quality. Did pop up. Wow, look at that. That's fantastic. You know, you would easily be able to spot that if that was your keys. Ah, it's making a fizzing sound. It must be some chemical reaction. If you've got a floating keyring or even a different device, please let me know. I'd love to check it out and see what else is available. And if you like my video, give us a thumbs up, give us a comment, give us a subscribe, and yeah, you know, enjoy the rest of your day and check out my other videos. I've got some alright ones, I think. That's up to you to find out. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.